Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer, and this is the Noisy Cube. Actually, it's two prototypes because I'm still working on it. And Noisy Cube came from a suggestion from Ulrich Meffert, who is, as you know, the son of the late Uwe Meffert. And Ulrich's idea was to make a twisty puzzle that's noisy. So he suggested ratchets. So I made this one, and just to show you the ratchets, here you can see in detail how things ratchet. So they click through each other, and these pieces, they are mounted onto a Meffert's universal 2x2 core, and when they turn, they ratchet against each other. So let's see whether we can hear it. So that's quite noisy, but still I didn't think this was sufficiently noisy, so I also made one with small ratchets. So here you can see the small ratchets, and hopefully that's more noisy. Okay, that sounded already quite noisy, and actually a bonus effect of the noisiness and the ratchets is that they turn in one direction, but they don't turn in the other direction. So whenever you make a false move, you move slightly too far, you need to go a full 360 to get things working. One problem of the really noisy one is actually when you miss a line and you start turning in the other direction, sometimes you can really block up the puzzle. So yeah, this can be seen as a feature or as a flaw, and this is also why the Noisy Cube, why it's still work in progress. And that is exactly my question to you. So I've been exploring noisiness in twisty puzzles, and do you have an idea how we can make these twisty puzzles even more obnoxiously noisy? Thank you for watching.